Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to show you guys another cool mod today, and this mod is called the Elemental Creepers mod for Minecraft 1.2.5. This mod adds in 14 new creepers into our Minecraft game that has a lot of elemental powers and could do different explosions. I made a very old mod review for this mod a while back, but anyways guys, let me go ahead and show you guys one of my best reviews for this mod. So to start off, this is the world that I'm going to be showing you guys the elemental creepers. I'm going to be showing you guys every single elemental creepers that is within this mod. This world is called Tropico, and it's not going to be so tropical after I'm done reviewing this mod. So our first elemental creeper is the fire creeper. He is orange, and when he explodes he will spread a large radius of fire around him. He is laid out right here in the deck of the ship, and therefore the whole boat will catch on fire and it will no longer be a boat anymore. And always remember, in the configs of this mod you could change how big the radius of explosions can be, you could change the spawn rate, and you could change a lot of other cool things in the configs. Fire creepers are obviously immune to fire damage, and every single elemental creeper, when they die off, they'll drop themselves gunpowder. Our next elemental creeper is the water creeper. He is blue, and when he explodes he will create a huge puddle of water. Therefore it will soon disintegrate and it will go away. Don't worry, it will not flood your world. Our next elemental creeper is the earth creeper. He is brown and he has grass hair. How convenient. When he explodes, he'll create himself a large brown monument, which is a huge dirt ball. Our next creeper is the ice creeper. He is white and he will freeze water and lava when he explodes and spread snow. He's quite harmless. You won't really get hurt by him. Our next creeper is the lightning creeper. It is yellow, and every time it explodes it will strike a nearby entities with lightning. And it is very powerful. If there's at least 4 of these lightning creepers, you're totally dead. Our next creeper is the psychic creeper. It is purple, and when it explodes it will launch all nearby entities straight up in the air. This also includes items, so if you happen to drop all your items and an elemental creeper of the psychic creeper explodes next to you, all your items will be scattered everywhere. The next elemental creeper might be one of the most annoyingest elemental creepers. This is the magma creeper. It is deep red, which is dark red, and it will create a pool of lava when he explodes. And every time this magma creeper walks, it will leave a trail of fire. It's only found in the nether, so no need to worry about your house being covered up by lava. The next creeper is a ghost creeper. It is transparent to the normal creeper, and when it explodes it will harm and launch animals as a normal creeper will do, but it will not destroy any blocks around you. You can change the config, so when you happen to kill yourself a normal creeper, a ghost creeper will spawn as if that's the ghost of the creeper. So every time you kill a creeper, you're going to receive yourself a ghost creeper. So that's pretty cool. You could change the configs if you like. The next elemental creeper is a friendly creeper. It is pink and it is tameable like a wolf. You feed it a gunpowder in order to tame it. You feed it a flower to heal it. You right click with an empty hand for it to stay. And when tamed, you'll notice that a heart will appear right on the creeper's chest. And then it'll start following you around. When close enough to monsters, he'll start to create little mini explosions that will not hurt you and will not destroy any blocks. Once he starts exploding, make sure to right click in order to stop him. The next creeper is one of the most evilest creepers of them all. This is the cookie creeper. He is light brown, and when this guy happens to explode, he will shower a rain of disgusting cookies. I don't know where he got them from, but they're disgusting and they hurt your stomach. This is a really bad creeper. If you happen to kill him, he won't yield any cookies. He'll just drop a gunpowder. The next elemental creeper is the illusion creeper. It looks like static, When close to a player, it'll split into 5 different creepers that are all identical, and only one will explode. The rest are duds. The next elemental creeper is the light creeper. It is the same as the earth creeper, but instead of dirt, it will explode glowstone. The next creeper is the dark creeper. When he blows up, he'll destroy anything that has a fairly high light level in its radius. So if a light creeper would explode and you have yourself a big ball of glowstone, and then a dark creeper comes and explodes, you're gonna have a lot of glowstone dust everywhere, and it might create such lag. And last but not least, this is the final elemental creeper that I'm going to be reviewing because this is the last one. This is the reversed creeper. So when he explodes, it's going to flip the blocks in a radius upside down. So everything in the top layer will go down to the bottom layer, and the bottom layer will come up to the top. It just reverses everything. Alright, so that's basically it. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this review. I spent a lot of time making this, so I put a lot of effort into this video. Check out the boat, it's officially gone. This world is pretty much destroyed. So I am done with my full review of this mod, and now I'm going to do a full tutorial showing you how to install this on single player and how to install this for multiplayer. So let's go ahead and install this mod. I really appreciate all your guys' ratings before you guys leave this video. Thank you guys so much for leaving a like before you leave. I really appreciate it. I will continue making my full reviews. So let's go ahead and install this mod. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this mod. This mod is really easy to install, so we shouldn't have any errors. But the first thing I'm going to want to do, of course, before installing this mod is to go here to options and force Ultimate Game. The reason why I'm going to force Ultimate Game is because I have mods currently installed. If you guys have mods currently installed, I always recommend to back them up because you're never too sure if this mod is compatible with any of your mods. If it's not compatible, you will get a black screen and you won't be happy. So options, force update, and login to download a brand new Minecraft.jar in which we're going to mod. I'm going to go ahead and leave this updating, so I'm going to minus this. You're going to get the downloads from my description. It's going to take you to my website, and you're going to get Mod Loader MP Client, and Elemental Creepers Client. So go ahead and get this for the client section if you do plan on installing this for a client, and if you do plan on installing this for a server, make sure that you have your friends install this for a client before they join your server. And your server downloads are a Minecraft server.jar. You're going to get a Mod Loader MP server and Elemental Creepers server. So go ahead and get this if you like, and go ahead and get the client, and let's go ahead and install this mod. We're going to go here to start, search your program file. We're going to type in %appdata%, and for Windows XP users, you should see here run, and you run %appdata%, and it should take you up here to the roaming folder. Click on the roaming folder, and you should see .minecraft at the very top. When you go into your .minecraft folder, you're going to see bin, resources, save, and everything else. Go ahead and go into your bin folder. Before you open up your Minecraft.jar that's located in your bin folder, you have to make sure you have your Minecraft game closed. Here's my Minecraft game that I just forced updated. You have to exit off your Minecraft game before installing any mod, so exit off your Minecraft game. Now you're going to right click your Minecraft.jar that's located in your bin folder, open with Winrar or any 7-zip opener. If you don't have Winrar, links in the description. So go ahead and open that up with Winrar and move it aside. The first thing you have to do, of course, before installing any mods is to delete MetaInf. You have to delete MetaInf, so right click MetaInf and delete files. Say yes and delete MetaInf. Now MetaInf's gone, now we can continue. You're going to open a Mod Loader, so go ahead and open a Mod Loader. You're going to move that aside. You're going to highlight the files from Mod Loader and simply drag it all into the Minecraft.jar side, and replace, press OK, and you are done with Mod Loader. Go ahead and exit off Mod Loader and move it aside. Now you need Mod Loader MP, so go ahead and open a Mod Loader MP and move it aside. You're going to highlight the files from Mod Loader MP and simply drag it into the Minecraft.jar side, and replace, press OK, and you are done with the Minecraft.jar side and Mod Loader MP. So go ahead and exit off both the zips. So make sure you're still in your bin folder where you open up your Minecraft.jar with Winrar, because you're going to go back one. So go back to your .minecraft folder with bin, resources, save, and everything else. If you don't have a mods folder, you have to create a new folder called mods. So right click, new, and folder, and you're going to call it mods, M-O-D-S, like that. Alright, so bins, mods, resources, save, and everything else go into your mods folder that you just created. You shouldn't have anything in here. If you have anything, go ahead and delete it, or you can back it up if you like. And all you have to do is just drag over this Elemental Creepers client into your mods folder. And that's basically how to install the mod. Hopefully you did not get an error. If you got a black screen, you could report this on my help forums, because I do have some help forums that you could watch and check out and probably post a topic and I'll get to you. So let's go to single player. Let's go into our Tropico world and let's go ahead and look for a elemental creeper. So they should be able to spawn at random around your world, and make sure that you are playing on the normal difficulty. If not, then they're not going to be able to spawn. But if I go inside this little house, there should be a few elemental creepers, since I know that there should be a few in here. It's pretty dark in here, and no, there's a creeper, but there's no elemental creepers. That's all. Here it is. Here is an elemental creeper. This is a ice creeper. I could tell because it's white. So that's basically it. Look, there it is. Now it's, you know, exploding snow. Okay, so let's go ahead and install this for a server. Your friends have to have this installed on a client, what we just got done doing, in order for them to be able to join the server. So go ahead and exit off your Minecraft game, and you're going to get the server downloads. Minecraft server.jar, it cannot be a Minecraft server exe, ModLoader MP server, and Elemental Creepers server. So let's go ahead and create a new folder in which we're going to place our server in. So right click new folder, and I'm going to call it server creeps. I'm sorry that I spelled this all wrong, but let's just pretend I called it server creeps. And all I'm going to do with this folder is place a server inside there. So this is where I'm going to be running the server at. So I'm going to go into my server creeps folder, and if you notice, here's the server. What you're going to do is just right click that Minecraft server.jar, open with Winrar or any 7-zip opener. You're going to open up the Minecraft server.jar with Winrar. Go ahead and move that aside. Do not delete meta-inf. If you delete meta-inf, you will get a black screen and you won't be happy. So do not delete meta-inf. It's backwards on a server. So open up ModLoader MP server. Go ahead and open that up and move it aside. You're going to highlight all the files from ModLoader MP server and simply drag it all into the Minecraft server.jar and replace, press OK, and you are done with ModLoader MP server. Go ahead and exit that off and move it aside. Now you need Elemental Creepers server. Go ahead and open that up and move it aside. You're going to highlight all the files from Elemental Creepers server and simply drag it into your Minecraft server.jar. So go ahead and drag that over, press OK, and you are done. Go ahead and exit off everything. Please rewatch this if you still don't understand how to do this. It's very simple, and all you have to do is just run the server once, and you should see that it says right here, the mod has loaded. So there is mod underscore Elemental Creepers, and it should be able to work. If you got this little mod analyze, pretty much mod Elemental Creepers, then it did work. So now we could join our server, and it should be able to work. They should be able to spawn, and that's basically it, how to set up for a server. You guys should be able to find out all the creepers that are located in your server. They will spawn at random. So let me go ahead and stop the server and show you guys where the configs are located at. So go back to your .minecraft folder if you want to mess with the configs. Here's my .minecraft shortcut, so I'm going to go there. And you're going to see I have a bin, configs, mods, and resources, and all that other good stuff. So go into your configs. This is where you could be able to config Elemental Creepers to your needs. So go to mod underscore Elemental Creepers. Open that up, and you should have a WordPad or a Notepad open up where you could tweak and change the spawn rates. You could change the radius of the explosion of the creeper. So here's the Dark Creeper's radius. It's a 12. You could change this to like probably 500, which will probably crash your game. So you could mess with all the configs right here, and you can actually change some other stuff up here. I'm not sure what this is, but over here, this is what you really mess with. You mess with the radius and you mess with the spawn rates. So that's basically it, guys. Hopefully you guys will enjoy my tutorial. It's very simple. Just please rewatch it. If you have any errors, any questions, go ahead and post a comment. I'll try to get back to you. It's best to post a topic on my help forums. That's where I'm usually at. So I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys later. Thank you.
Hey man, it's your buddy Porkchop. You like the music in the video? Go ahead and subscribe to Josh Woodward right there, the green box. If you like the review or the tutorial, go ahead and subscribe to my buddy SCMowns. They're both nice people. They like me, they call me Porkchop, and they think I'm really cool. Just look at my eyes, look what I can do with them. Pretty awesome, right? Anyways, go ahead and subscribe to one of those two. It doesn't matter which one, Mom. Maybe both, you know. Maybe you're that cool. Come on, man.